Say it again. Say it again. What did you say?
Flip it.
Can you say what she said?
At 4 hours for the day.
Did you break this one?
No, it's her camera.
There's always a circle on it.
Okay, the other camera that was the same, a newer model has a dot up here, and I broke it after. No, it was.
So it's working,
right?
It's working.
It's a screen.
Except you can't see
Pixels are burnt or something.
Because like my friend has like this like similar.
Yeah, you see cannot.
No, like a similar.
Can you say it again?
Yeah. This is
Are you guys?
Are you guys?
4 hours. You know it's this camera
the
because
day?
of
Did I say it like that?
Yeah, sure.
At 4 hours for the day. Basically.
I think it's.
Flip the day.
No, it isn't.
It depends on the.
Look at this low angle.
呢個唔係
on
Andy 嗰
daylight
個嚟嘅，
saving.
That's
This is hers.
第二個啦，
daylight saving.
Yeah.
It's 4 hours.
你真係
Then
撐
3
我唔
hours.
到相機。
I break gaze all the time.
Bad too. Better not break mine.
It's kind of already burnt.
Hi Angie. Introduce a new friend to you.
Yay!
That's Timothy.
佢未見過 Angie。
Do people call you Timo?
上次啊，
No, actually in America they call me Timmy.
Timmy? Call you Timmy who?
usually 我
Have you been to Tim Hortons?
No, because